How to make money using e-commerce. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money using e-commerce and run a successful business online and make millions. So let's get started. Today I will be telling you all about e-commerce and I will show you around one of the very famous platform that helps you make money and how you can get started with it. So as a complete beginner, this tutorial will be very helpful for you guys and you will be able to learn all about e-commerce and how it works and what are the different factors that actually help us make more money than a normal person. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Today I will be using Shopify. Now on Shopify is actually one of the most famous e-commerce platform out there and it is very easy to use. It allows you to create your online store and you can get started with your e-commerce business. Now there's no just Shopify, there are a lot of platforms out there and we can create store on any of the platform we want. There is Gumroad, there is Squarespace, there is Wix. We can create an e-commerce store on Wix. There is Equid. So there are a lot of other platforms as well. A platform for US based and UK based, EU based, suppliers, and it's a really good platform for you to get started with. Now you can just sign up and get a free trial by just signing up with your email address. Once you sign up, you will get right here on Shopify. Now I'll show you around my Shopify and I'll tell you how we make money. Now on Shopify, what happens is we get our online store. So in our online store, what will happen is it's just like creating a store physically, that you create a store anywhere and then you make money to it. So that's how e-commerce works. It's going to be your digital store that you create to sell different products. What kind of products you can sell when it comes to an e-commerce platform? Well, you can sell any kind of product you want. You can go with technology products, you can go with beauty products, you can go with different gadgets, you can go with different supplies, you can go with clothes, and you can go with jewelry. So whatever you want to sell, that's our first step. What we do, we actually find products that we want to sell. For example, I want to sell clothes, so I'll create my online store on Shopify that I can create within minutes with my email address. And once you have created your online store, then you're gonna just list your product there and people will check it out. It's going to be your online store and you deliver the product and you make money. How we make money, how we withdraw money? Well, it's really easy. You simply you earn your profit. Of course, if the cost price was $10, then you can sell the product for $20, $30 and you make money. And then there are easy payment methods available that we can add to Shopify and that helps us withdraw money. So once you have a product, let's go ahead and let me tell you how you get products for Shopify. So for that, you can go to AliExpress. So this is like a perfect example from where we get our products and how we can get our own products from wholesale or maybe from different suppliers. So you can see in categories, we have women's fashion, men's fashion, jewelry, we have bags and shoes, we have outdoor, fun and support, automobile, and health and beauty. So you can select any kind of product and we can buy products for cheap prices or maybe create a product as well. When it comes to e-commerce, we kind of like go for, because if you will get the products from here and list them, then it's called like drop shipping. And then in e-commerce, we kind of like go with our own products and we create our own original brand. So you can but get inspiration from here. You can see what products are trending and you can use AliExpress to search for different products, for trending products, the products that are actually hot in the market, and you'll be able to get your products. So once you know what you're gonna sell, you will have to list your product on Shopify. So you can just go to products right here, click on add product. I'll just quickly show you how you can add a product. It's so easy to do and you can just go ahead and list your products right here. So you can add a product right here. For example, if I want to sell a hoodie, then I could just like write the title, we have description, and then we upload our image right here for our product, whatever our product is, and then we have our pricing. We add pricing and we can add any kind of pricing we want, of course related to the product. Then we have inventory option, we have different location options, weight, countries and region, and shipment option. So you add everything right here. Everything is online and it's really easy to create a store and then add different products. So once your product is added, that's what we do. After that, we also work on the marketing. Now marketing is a very important important factor when it comes to running an e-commerce business. In marketing, we can do email marketing and we have SMS marketing. We can use a lot of different platforms available for marketing and promotion. Now, you need to promote your products so that you can make more money. You sell more products, because more products you will sell, more money you will make. So you can actually promote your products on Pinterest. You can use ads. You can use Facebook ads. There are now TikTok ads we can even use to promote our products. And you can also do collaborations and you can run email marketing campaigns. That's actually a little more next level when it comes to e-commerce business, right? And we can also hire different people who are actually marketing expert, and they help us do marketing and promotion for our products. So you don't even have to worry if you're not very familiar with marketing or campaigns or automation. So you can actually hire someone to do your job for you. Now, if you're thinking the e-commerce business, you will actually have to do everything yourself. You'll have to add products every day and stuff. So there are a lot of automations available that we can do, and we can actually automate our work and save our time and make more money with it. Once your products are out there, people buy those products, they're listed on your store, you promote them, people check them out, and they simply buy the product from you. They order the product, and you can simply go to orders. You will be able to find all of the orders that have been made to you, right? You check your orders, delivered ones, the pending ones. New orders will be shown right here in the order section, and you'll be able to see that these are the different products that somebody has ordered, and you ship the product, and that's it. You make money. When it comes to making money, we can add different payment methods to our Shopify. Now you can see all of the different options are available on Shopify settings. We have our store details, we have our plan, we have other things. So if I go to payments right here on Shopify, we can add different payment methods, and you can go with the easiest method that works for you. So if I just go to add payment method, so I can actually go with a simple bank deposit if I want. I can go with money order, cash on delivery too. Then we have different providers. So if I go right here, we have credit cards available, we have Stripe available, we have WeChat Pay available. Any kind of method is available, and you can search right here. You can see PayPal, Visa card, MasterCard. Then we have JCP, Diners Club, American Express. So all of these different payment methods are available, and you can simply go ahead and use them to get paid. So you can add any payment method. We have Klarna, we have even crypto, and then we have BC cards. You can check them out right here. I'm scrolling down, and you can see all of the different options available. So this is the easiest way. Once you get paid, then you will be able to check all of your stats right here, the orders that you have fulfilled. You can go to home. You will be able to see that you're making thousands of dollars, of course, once you're selling products. And then you can also make money with collaboration, and you can also make money with different marketing strategies, and it will help you earn the maximum through your e-commerce business that you're running online on Shopify. I hope that I was a big help, and now you know how to get started on Shopify for e-commerce, and now you know everything you need to know to get started, and now you will be able to create your online business. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.